age-old question is like, should I hurt when I exercise? Yes, exercise can be uncomfortable. It probably should be uncomfortable a little bit as far as pushing you, getting you to where you're actually making some changes in how you feel, pushing your muscles, pushing your joints to kind of actually do better. But there are cases when you should not hurt. Some of the biggest things that I will tell people to look out for when they're working out as far as exercise is sharp pain, shooting pain, severe pain. Sounds simple, but those things are not normal. But they can happen, and it does. And you don't want it to be something that kind of limits you from continuing doing what you need to do, because part of it is just your body needs to get used to it. This weekend, I have some back problems myself, and so I was doing this new workout. My back was tweaked a little bit after I left, so I went home. What I do, I did my exercises. I isolated that night. I continue to do it. Next time, it won't be as bad. I always say the alternative to is not better. It's not better to kind of not exercise and not be healthy. So my main suggestion is that if you are having sharp pain, shooting pain, pain that is new and you're not sure what's going on, don't quit. Maybe modify or change things. Make sure to talk to a personal trainer, coach, someone that's maybe helping you through this. Also, just don't be afraid to ask your doctor. Ask a physical therapist. That's what we're here for. You don't always need physical therapy, but we're here for as a resource to kind of help you through this process. And if you need therapy, of course, we're here to do that. That's why we offer those screens. But the main thing is do ask early. Don't let it go. Don't stop. Don't let it be a barrier to you actually getting healthy. So to start the new year, if you're starting to work out and you're starting to have pain and soreness, can be normal. But if you have a question, make sure to get a hold of us at physicaltherapylevel.com. We can do a free discovery screen. We can help you out, answer any questions you might have to make sure you're successful and start the new year right. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next week.